Before going to the next exercise, we will discuss some concepts here. From solution to equation. Equation to solution is the normal path. Sometimes we will go from solution to get the equation. This is known as reverse path. Students try to observe clearly. For the given equation, till now what we have done, we have got the solution. This is the normal path. Till now what we have did. And there is another method to solve the equation from given solution to equation. This is the reverse path. Okay. Exercise 4.3. Solve the following equations. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equals to 37 by 2. Question A. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equals to 37 by 2. So we can transpose 5 by 2 to the right hand side. So 2y is equals to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. We know the denominators are equal. So 37 minus 5 by 2 is equals to 32 by 2. 2 cancels in 32 16 times. 2y is equals to 16. Since we have multiplication here, we can divide both sides by 2. That means 2y divided by 2 is equals to 16 by 2. So y is equals to 8. If you want to verify, you can put y is equals to 8 in left hand side. Okay. So 2 into 8 plus 15 by 2, that is 16 plus 5 by 2. Okay. If you can take LCM 2, 32 plus 5 by 2, so 37 by 2, this is equals to RHS. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay. Next, question B. 5t plus 28 is equals to minus 10. I'm sorry, it is plus 10. I'm really sorry, it is 10. So 5t is equals to 10 minus 28. That means transposing 28 to right hand side. So 5t is equals to minus 18. So here we have 5t, that means 5 into t. So we have to divide both sides by 5. So 5t divided by 5 is equals to minus 18 divided by 5. That means t is equals to minus 18 by 5 is the value. To check, we have to put t is equals to minus 18 by 5 in the left hand side. That means 5t plus 28. So we have to put t value here. 5 into minus 18 by 5 plus 28. 5 and 5 upon cancellation. We have minus 18 plus 28, which is equals to 10. So this 10 is equals to right hand side as required. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS and the equation is satisfied. Question number C. A by 5 plus 3 is equals to 2. So we can transpose this 3 to right hand side. So a by 5 is equals to 2 minus 3. That means a by 5 is equals to minus 1. Since we have division here, we can multiply both sides by 5. So a by 5 into 5 is equals to minus 1 into 5. Upon cancellation 5 and 5, a is equals to minus 5. So to check the value, if we can put a is equals to minus 5 left hand side, minus 5 by 5 plus 3 is equals to 2. Minus 5 by 5 means minus 1 plus 3. So minus 1 plus 3 is equals to 2, which is equals to right hand side. So left hand side is equals to right hand side as required. Okay, minus 5 by 5 plus 3. So minus 5 by 5 is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 3 is equals to 2, which is equals to right hand side. Okay, so the solution is here. So the equation is satisfied. Okay. Next question. Question D. Q by 4 plus 7 is equals to 5. So if we can transpose 7 to the right hand side, q by 4 is equals to 5 minus 7. That means q by 4 is equals to minus 2. Here we got. Since we have q by 4 division, we have to multiply both sides with 4. So q by 4 into 4 is equals to minus 2 into 4. Upon cancellation 4 and 4, q is equals to minus 8. Okay. So to check the value, if you can put q is equals to minus 8 here, minus 8 by 4 plus 7 is equals to 4 cancels 8 two times. So minus 2 plus 7 is equals to 5, which is equals to right hand side. So the value is correct. Question E, 5 by 2x is equals to minus 10. Since we have division here, we can multiply both sides with 2. 5 by 2x into 2 is equals to minus 10 into 2. That means 2 and 2 cancels here. 5x is equals to minus 20. So 5x divided by, here we have multiplication. So we have to divide both sides by 5. 5x divided by 5 is equals to minus 20 by 5. That means x is equals to 5 cancels in 20 4 times, x is equals to minus 4. So to check the value, we can put x is equals to minus 4 in the given equation. Okay, in the left side. So that means 5 by 2 into minus 4, 2 cancels minus 4 two times. That is 5 into minus 2, this is equals to minus 10, that is equals to RHS. So the value is satisfied. So x is equals to minus 4 is the correct solution. Question F. 5 by 2 of x is equals to 25 by 4. That means here we have division. So we have to multiply both sides by 2. That means 5x by 2 into 2 is equals to 25 by 4 into 2. 2 and 2 cancels here. Here 2 cancels 4 in 2 times. So 5x is equals to 25 by 2. Here we have multiplication. So divide both sides by 5. This is equals to 25 by 2 divided by 5. That means x is equals to 5. So if you want to check, put x is equals to 5 in left hand side. That means 5 by 2 into 5 by 2, which is equals to 25 by 4. That is equals to RHS. Okay. So the value is correct. Question G. 7m plus 19 by 2 is equals to 13. So if you can transpose 19 by 2 to the right hand side, 7m is equals to 13 minus 19 by 2. We can further simplify as taking 2 as LCM. 2 into 13 is 26 minus 19. This is equals to 7 by 2. So 7m is equals to 7 by 2. Since we have multiplication here, if you can divide with 7 both sides, 7m divided by 7 is equals to 7 by 2 divided by 7. So that m is equals to 1 by 2. If you want to verify, put m is equals to 1 by 2 in the left hand side. 7 into 1 by 2 plus 19 by 2. That means 7 by 2 plus 19 by 2. Because we have the LCM as 2 common, 7 plus 19, that is 26 by 2. 2 cancels in 26 13 times, which is equals to RHS as required. Okay, 13 here. Next. Question H. 6z plus 10 is equals to minus 2. So if we can transpose the 10 to the right hand side, 6z is equals to minus 2 minus 10. That means 6z is equals to minus 12. Since we have multiplication here, 6z divided by 6 is equals to minus 12 divided by 6. Okay, upon division both sides by 6. So z is equals to minus 2. So to check the value, putting z is equals to minus 2 in the left hand side, 6 into minus 2 plus 10 is equals to minus 12 plus 10. This is equals to minus 2, which is equals to right hand side. Okay. We will see the next equation, that is I. 3L by 2 is equals to 2 by 3. Once again, here we have division. So we have to make further simplification by multiplying with 2. 3L by 2 into 2 is equals to 2 by 3 into 2. That means 3L is equals to 4 by 3. Here we have multiplication, so we have to divide both sides with 3. 3L divided by 3 is equals to 4 by 3 divided by 3. That means L is equals to 4 by 3. This will become as a reciprocal 1 into 3. That means 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. 4 into 1 is equals to 4. 3 into 3 is equals to 9. So L is equals to 4 by 9. To check, put the value of 4 by 9 left side. Okay, that means 3 by 2 into what is the value of L? 4 by 9. 3 by 2 into 4 by 9. Upon cancellation, we will get the value of 2 by 3, which is equals to right hand side as required. Okay. Next. Question J. 2b by 3 minus 5 is equals to 3. So what we have to do? We have to transpose minus 5 to the right hand side. So minus 5 will become plus. So 2b by 3 is equals to 5 plus 3. That means 2b by 3 is equals to 8. Since we have division operation here, we have to multiply both sides by 3. 2b by 3 into 3 is equals to 8 into 3. That means 2b is equals to 24. Again, for further simplification, we have multiplication here. So we have to divide with 2. 2b divided by 2 is equals to 24 by 2. That means b is equals to 2 cancels in 24 12 times. So b is equals to 12. To check the value, put b is equals to 12 in the left hand side. That means 2 by 3 into 12. Okay, because b value is equals to 12 minus 5. 3 cancels 12 in 4 times. So 2 into 4 is equals to 8 minus 5, which is equals to 3 RHS as required. Okay. So the equation was satisfied. Next question. Question number 2. Solve the following equations. Question A. 2 into x plus 4 is equals to 12. Same as previous one, but this is in the equation form. We have multiplication here. So divide by 2 both sides. 2 into x plus 4 by 2 is equals to 12 by 2. That is x plus 4 is equals to 6. Simple. Now we can transpose 4 to the right hand side. We get x is equals to 6 minus 4. That is equals to x is equals to 2. Okay. So to check the value, if you can put x is equals to 2 in the left hand side, you get 2 into 2 plus 4. That means 2 plus 4 is 6. That means 2 into 6 is equals to 12 as right hand side. Next question. 3 into n minus 5 is equals to 21. Since we have multiplied by 3 both sides, so what we have to do? We have to divide both sides by 3. Okay. So 3 into n minus 5 by 3 is equals to 21 by 3. That means upon cancellation 3 and 3 we get n minus 5 is equals to 3 cancels 21 7 times. So n minus 5 is equals to 7. So upon transposing this 5 towards right hand side, n is equals to 7 plus 5, which is equals to 12. So if you want to check, you can check, put n is equals to 12 in the left hand side. That means 3 into 12 minus 5 is equals to 21. So 12 minus 5 is 7. So 3 into 7 is equals to 21 as RHS as required. Question C. 3 into n minus 5 is equals to minus 21. So since here we have multiplication, divide both sides with 3. That means 3 into n minus 5 by 3 is equals to minus 21 by 3. So n minus 5 is equals to minus 7 because upon cancellation this will goes and 3 cancels 21 by 7 times. So n minus 5 is equals to minus 7. That means upon transposing minus 5 to the right hand side, n is equals to minus 7 plus 5. That means n is equals to minus 2. To verify the value, put n is equals to minus 2 in the left hand side. 3 into minus 2 minus 5. That means 3 into, okay, this will become as minus 7. So this is equals to minus 21, which is equals to right hand side. Okay. Next question. Question D. Minus 4 into 2 plus x is equals to 8. Tell me. Here we have multiplication, so we have to divide both sides by 4. Okay, I'm sorry, it is minus 4. So upon cancellation, this will go and minus 4 here cancels in minus 2 times. So 2 plus x is equals to minus 2. Upon transposing this 2 value here to the right side, x is equals to minus 2 minus 2. That means x is equals to minus 4. So to check, if you want to check, put x value as minus 4 in the left hand side. Minus 4 of 2 minus 4. That is minus 4 into minus 2 is equals to minus into minus get cancelled and will come as plus. Okay, minus into minus become plus. 4 into 2 is equals to 8. This is equal to right hand side. Okay. Next question. Question E. See this one. 4 into 2 minus x is equals to 8. Since here we have multiplication, you have to divide with 4 both sides. 4 into 2 minus x divided by 4 is equals to 8 by 4. So 2 minus x is equals to 8. Okay. Upon transposing the value to the right hand side, we get minus x is equals to 2 minus 2. So minus x is equals to 0. Therefore x is also equals to 0. Okay. By multiplying both sides by 1 or minus 1, I'm sorry. To check the value, put x is equals to 0 in left hand side. That is 4 into 2 minus 0, which is equals to 4 into 2 is equals to 8 right hand side. Okay, so this is the required solution. Next, question number 3. Solve the following equations. A. 4 is equals to 5 into p minus 2. Okay. So what we have to do here, we have multiplication. So we will go for division. Divide both sides by 5. 4 by 5 is equals to 5 into p minus 2 by 5. 5 and 5 get cancelled. So p minus 2 is equals to 4 by 5. Okay. So here we are transposing this 2 to the left hand side. That will become as p is equals to 4 by 5 plus 2. So taking LCM as 5, 4 plus 5 into 2, 10. So P is equals to 14 by 5. Okay. To check the value, what we have to do? Putting P value 14 by 5 in RHS. Okay. 5 into 14 by 5 minus 2. Okay. Upon taking LCM as 5, 5 into 14 minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. So 14 minus 10 is what? 4 by 5. 5 into 4 by 5. 5 and 5 get cancelled, which is equals to 4. This is equal to left hand side. Okay. Next question. Minus 4 is equals to 5 into p minus 2. Here we have multiplication, so go for the division on both sides. Minus 4 by 5 is equals to 5 into p minus 2. 5 and 5 get cancelled. Minus 4 by 5 is equals to p minus 2. Upon transposing 2 to the left hand side, it will become as minus 4 by 5 plus 2 is equals to p. That means if you have taken as LCM 5 minus 4 plus 5 into 2 is 10. So p is equals to 6 by 5. So to check the value, p is equals to 6 by 5 in the right hand side. 5 into 6 by 5 minus 2. That means taking LCM, 6 minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. Okay. 6 minus 10 by 5. Here it is. So 5 into minus 4 by 5. 5 and 5 get cancelled. We have got minus 4 as the required solution. Next, C. Question number C. 16 is equals to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. Upon transposing 4 from here to left hand side, 16 minus 4 is equals to 3 into t plus 2. So 12 is equals to 3 into t plus 2. Since we have multiplication here, if you can divide both sides with 3, 12 by 3 is equals to 3 into t plus 2 by 3. Okay. So 4, 3 cancels 12 4 times and 3 cancels here. So 4 is equals to t plus 2. Upon transposing the value of 2 to the left side, t is equals to 4 minus 2, or we can call t is equals to 2. Okay, if you want to check, put the t value is equals to 2 in the right hand side. 4 plus 3 into 2 plus 2. That means 4 plus 3 into 4. That means 4 plus 12, which is equals to 16 as left hand side. So LHS is equals to RHS as required. Next question. Question number D. 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 is equals to 34. Okay. Here, upon transposing the 4 value to the right hand side, 5 into p minus 1 is equals to 34 minus 4, which is equals to 30. Since here we have multiplication, you have to go for division both sides by 5. 5 into p minus 1 by 5 is equals to 30 by 5. That means p minus 1 is equals to 5 cancels in 36 times. So p is equals to 7. Okay. How we will check? We will check, put p is equals to 7 in the left hand side. Here 4 plus 5 into 7 minus 1. That means 4 plus 5 into 6 is 30. So 4 plus 30, which is equals to 34, is equals to right hand side as required. Okay. Next, we will go for question E. 0 is equals to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. Upon transposing the value of 16 to the left hand side, it will become as minus 16 is equals to 4 into m minus 6. Since we have multiplication here, if you can divide both sides by 4, minus 16 by 4 is equals to 4 into m minus 6 by 4. This 4 and 4 will get cancelled, and the left side 4 will cancel 16 4 times. So minus 4 is equals to m minus 6. That means minus 4 plus 6 is equals to m upon transposing the value of 6 to the left hand side. Therefore, minus 4 plus 6 is equals to 2. So m is equals to 2. So if you want to check put m is equals to 2 in the right hand side. 16 plus 4 into m minus 2. That means 2 minus 6. So 16 plus 4 into here the value is minus 4. So 16 plus 4 into 4 is minus 16. So 16 minus 16 is equals to 0, equal to the left hand side as required. Next, question number 4. Construct three equations starting with x is equals to 2. The possible equations are 10x plus 2 is equals to 22. Okay, that means x by 5 is equals to 2 by 5. Next, 5x minus 3 is equals to 7. So what does these equations tell us? If we can put the value of x is equals to 2 in all these equations, okay, the equation should be satisfied. Okay. Similarly, construct three equations starting with x is equals to minus 2. So the possible equations are 3x is equals to minus 6. 3x plus 7 is equals to 1. And the last one is 3x plus 10 is equals to 4.